Whatever.
Ew, she's playing with a fat. What?
Someone posted a comment on a picture of me and you that was taken like
Years ago?
today.
What'd they say?
It was Melissa. She goes, she's a cutie. I love you.
Hey, love you.
Or what she say? I love you for.
She said she loves me, dummy.
No, she said she's a cutie. Then she said I love you.
Meaning she loves me.
She said she loves.
She loves me.
L-U-F-F.
She loves me.
No, she loves me.
Loves me way more.
Maybe she just loves both of us.
She just loves me. God, calm down.
She doesn't want you, please.
Whatever. We had hot sex.